Hey guys, so Moitie Cosmetics sent me this really cute package in the mail, and it is for the instant lashes. But before I show you guys anything or even try on the lashes, I wanted to show you some of the things that they sent me. So first, they sent me these adorable lashes. These ones I think I'm going to try for the video, only because they're a little bit more natural. And these ones I feel like they're a little bit more like out on the town. So there's those. They also sent me this cute black liner, and it's also the adhesive. Also there's purple, but I'm going to be using black for the video. They sent me directions on how to do it. It's really super cute too. And these eyelash tweezers. They sent me these cute stickers in the mail. I'm gonna give them to my daughters. A little keychain, I'll probably give this to my daughter, and I'll probably give this one to my other daughter as well. It's a cute little mirror. Okay, so before I get started, I just want to say that these are like a very thin line. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're very like thin band, and it looks like you can make it very like customizable. So I'm just gonna wing it. All right, let's get the tweezers. So, like I told you guys, I'm going to be using the black eyeliner adhesive. It says you have to shake it like really, really good. You have to make sure that your eyes are like completely dry. Also, this says that it is smudge free. So I tried it with the purple, so we're going to try it with the black. Let it dry for a minute, and it says it's smudge free, so let us hope. The purple is completely smudge free. I don't know if you guys can see that. I love that because I'm like, my eyes get really watery. Also, it says that this is waterproof as well and windproof, which waterproof is really good because I have such watery eyes. My allergies, just like get to me all the time. So waterproof is what I need. So let's test it out. Oh yeah, look, nothing. I'm pressing pretty hard too. Nothing. That's freaking awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna shake this up pretty mass, just like it says, and I'm going to be putting this all over my top lid, okay? Okay, so it's not perfect, the eyeliner that I put on, but we are going to try. You know what? Okay, so I'm going to apply the rest of the lashes, and I will be right back. Honestly, I'm not mad at that at all. Like, this is such a good price. I am fluffing it out just a little bit. Honestly, I'm not mad at this at all. I am going to be doing my other side so we can get the full effect. I love them. I messed up on a few parts, but I was quickly able to like fix it. Guys, these are $29 for a whole kit. Literally such a good deal. And if you use the code Mrs. Fry, MRSFRYE, you guys do get a discount. But honestly, I am really obsessed with this. So, I mean, you could literally just wear this with just for like going to the grocery store or just around the house. It's super, super comfy, lightweight. There's also comes with a removable gel, so you guys can get that too. These are honestly worth it and super affordable if you ask me, especially, a lot of places, a lot of moms can't afford to go get their lashes done all the time. So this is really, really good price, and I love it. Thank you, Moitie Cosmetics, for sending this to me. I am obsessed, and I totally recommend.